Hi guys, I hope you are having a fantastic day and congratulations, this is it. This is the end of your 6th grade year. Can you believe that? That's crazy, right? I know that the end of this year from like spring break on got a little bit complicated and different, but still, this year flew by and I just cannot believe that we're here. So I wanted to take a couple minutes to thank you and celebrate the work that you did this year, and we can kind of wrap up our year together here, okay? So I want to start by saying thank you guys. Gosh, I cannot speak highly enough of this class. I was so impressed with you guys from the first day of school on, and I just want to thank you guys so much. It was just such an amazing way to start my day, and I hope that you guys felt the same way in our class. I was just so impressed with the way that you guys brought love and kindness into everything that we did together. You were just very caring for one another. And I loved the silly times that we had when we were acting or we did our little dances or that kind of thing. But just, man, it was just such a positive and amazing way to start our day. And I just want to thank you guys for that. And I want to thank you too for all of the work you did. I know at-home learning was just very different. And I know a lot of us, put a lot of time and hard work into that, and I just want to thank you guys for what you did in that time, because I know that was not easy and it was very different and unexpected. But let's think about when we were at school too. I want to thank you guys. You worked so incredibly hard this year. We have all grown as readers and writers, and that's a huge accomplishment. We don't want to look past that. We want to definitely celebrate that fact that you guys had a very successful 6th grade year and have grown so much. So I have an end of the year tradition that I like to do. And trust me, it just feels so strange to be like sitting in my living room doing this instead of reading it together in our classroom. But there's something that I want to give you that I've written for you. And I usually like to give you a copy as well, but of course can't do that right now. So there's one on Google Classroom that you can do whatever you want with for you if that's something that you would like, okay? But I hope that this can help you remember 6th grade English. My dear 6th graders, what a year it has been. From August to May, it has been a whirlwind. As I look back and reflect, I'm not sure where to begin. Let's start with Brian N., whose passion for making a difference was simply contagious. Bronson kept us entertained with stories that were silly and outrageous. Our avid readers, Eli, Byron, Uli, and Dylan, always had their nose in a good book. Need help with something? Addie M. would love to come take a look. Each day, Mia, Aaliyah, Addie R., and Lily greeted us with their radiant smiles. Kelvin's book of jokes and Donovan's quick wit kept us laughing for miles. Isla, Eliza, Lauren, and Samantha showed us the value of dedication and working hard. We all got to show our best acting skills while studying the Bard. This year, Deacon played the Cyclops in a manner that was oh so chill, and Daniel gave a show-stopping performance as Caesar that gave us all a thrill. Drake and Carter showed us how to lead with integrity and a heart of gold. Ryan Z and Nate made some moves in their writing that were rewarding and bold. There was Will and Calvin, who were hardworking and pensive. Jack, Max, Bron, and Caleb often had conversations about their passions that were detailed and extensive. Need to know about basketball? Antonio Sanzadia can fill you in. Need help with a video game? Alexis can give you some pointers to help you win. We had Amanda and Kendall, the inseparable two. Parker, no one knows more about drumming than you. When New Year's did come, we wondered, what would 2020 hold? Who knew? I never expected to go several months, still teaching, but not seeing you. During this time, many emotions were felt. Sadness, anger, confusion, and fear. Yet, we dug deep, cared for each other, and we all persevered. I will miss you 6th graders as you go away to things bigger and better, but I wish you would stay. Have fun next year and remember what you have learned. Stay true to yourself and you won't get burned. You have made me so proud. Teaching you has been a privilege and an honor. Thank you for all you have taught me, and make good choices this summer. Come back and visit and do stay in touch. I will always be here for you. #miss you so much. Guys, I want to just thank you again so much for an incredible year together. I hope you have a fantastic summer. Please contact me if you ever need anything. I love each and every one of you and cannot wait to see you again in August. Thank you guys. Have a great summer.